Hello and welcome. Today we're on location at Lawrence Lake here in Alberta. It's about an hour 45 from Edmonton. I'm Harmony Lamoureux with Remax Excellence, and we're going to do a little bit of footage of some drone video for you of this gorgeous private lake, and going to actually showcase a little bit of this beautiful traditional cabin behind me. It's your coincidental family cottage log. 2 bedrooms, got a summer kitchen with a walkout to the fire pit, gorgeous sunroom, and lots of private spaces and activated outdoor living. 2 fire pit locations, and this cool little bunkie that comes with it is quite great. A bunkie would be kind of like a guest house, and if you like a private lake setting, Lawrence Lake is for you. It has a very, very small influx of summer village and is surrounded by thousands of acres of crown land. If you would like to see this property, feel free to contact me, DM me, or reach out through your own realtor, and we'll give you all the information that you need. Thank you so much for stopping by and doing this little video tour with us. Talk to you soon. Bye now.